Thinking about grabbing these Miniso X30 OWS translation earbuds? Let's dive deep and see if they're a language barrier buster or just another gadget gimmick. First, let's check the price. Are they suspiciously low compared to other translation devices? A rock-bottom price can be a major red flag. Next up, the reviews. Don't just look at the star rating. Read the actual comments. Are people raving about the translation accuracy, or are they struggling with basic functionality? Now, let's talk about translation quality. Real-time translation is incredibly complex. Expecting flawless results from budget earbuds might be unrealistic. Look for user experiences describing translation accuracy in real-world scenarios. Check the app. What app is needed to connect with the earbuds? Is the app reputable? Does it have good reviews? An unreliable or buggy app can ruin the entire experience. Finally, compare. How do these stack up against dedicated translation devices or even translation apps on your smartphone? Are you really getting something extra, or is it just marketing hype? So, are the Miniso X30 OWS earbuds a scam? It depends on your expectations and how thoroughly you research. Beware, and happy researching.